welcome everybody to a very late night post. I decided to go ahead and make this and post it tonight. Hopefully people like it. I have been learning AI. Not very good at it, but I have thoughts for different movies, and I went ahead and started kind of trying to learn how to create AI movies. They're not definitely going to be the best at the moment because, well, I'm still learning. I'm incorporating my real life with fantasy. So far in this movie that I'm creating, now when you guys watch this, it's right after I'm done talking, so stay tuned, it's coming right now. But there's mess ups. The editing's terrible. I'm terrible at putting stuff together, but I'm learning. I'm really bad at creating the storylines, the way things work, the way things look, and putting it all together. So please keep that in mind while you're watching it, and enjoy. It's starring me, myself, and Steph, who is inside the trailer at the moment sleeping, and we're the only two actors in the entire movie. Everybody else is AI generated, so it's kind of unique. I mean, it would have been unique a couple weeks ago. Nowadays, it's like AI is just blowing up. But I really want to learn this medium because I wouldn't mind learning how to create real movies and entering them in competitions here in town at Film Slam in Orlando. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm practicing. This is only part one. It's to be continued. I'm going to leave you on a cliffhanger. And yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below. And like I said, the editing, not good. But take it for what it is. It's my first attempt. Part 2 coming out in about 2 or 3 weeks. Should be better. Enjoy.
Rain hits like 1,000 little nails out here. Trees soak it up. Keep the rest of the world out. I keep walking. Almost home. Lights ahead. My trailer, my ride. One more step and the road is... Nights like ink. Rain's beating the paint off the world and I'm still rolling. Tesla's warm. Leather's cold and the road's waiting. Forest swallows them.
Alright. Stay put. Finally out of it. Some nights the coffee's hotter than the thoughts in my head. Tomorrow's a blank page, but it has a way of writing itself. I just hope the ink's kind.
Yeah.
Stay quiet.
They're getting closer.
Moving! I'm right here.
Down!
Did we lose them?
For now. Stay low.
I can still see the light.
It's moving away. Wait for the next thunder and we run.
Right.
Still out there.
How many?
3, maybe 4. One in a slicker.
Red, hard to miss.
The Tesla looks empty.
Not for long.
Keep that beam on the door.
Copy, moving.
We wait till they split.
Then we move.
Go, go, go. They're right behind us.
Keep low, we just need the car.
Come on, drive!
Hang on.
They're gaining!
Grip, you piece of...
Got it! Go, Rick, go!
They're still back there. I can see the lights. Just keep going. Road's turning to soup. Hold on. Bridge ahead.
Damn it, it's gone.
What?
Stop, Rick,
Oh my
hang
God.
on.
Inch to spare.
We can't go forward.
No, but at least we didn't go down.
Your name, who are those people? How did you end up pounding on my trailer door in the middle of the storm?
I've never seen them before. I don't know who they are, but I think I'm in serious trouble. Not far now. I just hope they have heat.
There, gas station. You can warm up in the restroom. I'll check inside.
Okay.
Hello?
I don't care how you get her. Just get her. She's got the files, the biggest files, believe me. Do it bigly.
Keep moving.
Please!
Leave her. Inside.